Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I'm back again today with another Cricut video. We're also doing our Making on Monday project, and today we're making a super cute little box. Isn't that fun? And super easy. Alright, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in, or you can use the desktop version as well. Alright, on this screen we're going to go down until we get to Cricut Access, and then next to that go ahead and click on View All. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, we're going to type in pink box, and it should be the first one that comes up, which is right there, just pink box. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Very bottom, click on customize. So you see we have the two halves of the box, the lid, and also the bow. Upper right hand corner, click on make it. So we have a piece for our bow, a piece for the box lid, and a piece for the box itself. I'm going to click on continue, cut it out, go to the table, and we'll put our box together. Alright, our box is cut out. I'm going to first go ahead and take the two box pieces here, and I'm going to stamp them using one of May's stamps. This is called Trixie's Valentine. I'll be using the paw print, the heart, and also the greeting. Alright, so I have my paw print here. I'm going to grab my ink pad, and I'm just going to ink up the middle here, the part of the box that you're going to see. So whenever you're inking and making a pattern, you want to rotate your stamp or the cardstock so it's not so all the same direction. Alright, so we have that one done. Let's do this one here as well. So you can customize this to fit any person or any occasion you were given the box to just by using stamps or papers. Do one more there. And we're done with that. We close that up. Alright, now what I want to do, when you look at your box here, you will see at the very bottom there are score marks. I'm going to go ahead and cut them off. Just cut right above the score marks there on both sides of the box. Yep, there we go. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and fold on our score marks here. Take our bone folder, move this out of my way. On this side, and then these two here. Alright, and do the same with this one. I love easy projects like this. I love boxes as well. They can be used for so many things. This is a cute little size. It's about 2.5 by 2.5. Alright, so we have our boxes done, or all scored. I'm also going to take a pair of scissors. On these bottom flaps, I'm going to go ahead and cut in them on each end, just so they're a tad bit smaller. Do it on both sides here. This part folds in. But I find when you fold them together like that, there's a lot of bulk there, so I do trim mine down a little bit. You don't have to though. Now I said before with the Make It Now section of Design Space, or the Make It Now Mondays, you can make the project now, but you can also make it your way. So you don't need to be stuck with what they're doing. You can change it up and completely make it your own. We've done that many times here. Alright, so we have that done. Now, clean up our mess a little bit. Take our box. They're both going the same direction. You can see the bottoms and the tops. Go ahead and take our glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get this from MadeIt.com. And we're going to go ahead and put some glue on the flap. You want to go all the way to the fold, or the score mark there. And bring this piece over. Just make sure they're going the same direction. Line that up like that. A little bit of a rub. We're going to flip it over. And before we attack that piece, I'm going to go ahead and glue these guys down. Just like that. You don't need a whole lot of glue. Just bring these up. Just give them a little bit of rub. Need some more glue on this guy over here at the end. Okay, make sure they're all down there really well. Now I'm going to put glue on this guy. Again, have your glue go all the way to the fold. Now we're going to bring this over and just attach them. Just lining up the top and the bottom, give it a good squeeze. Go the other way, give another little squeeze there. Alright, so our box is done. Flip it over. So you have this piece, you're going to put that piece down first. These are going to tuck in like that, and then this one tucks in like that. You might need to go on the inside and kind of finagle it, but there's our box base. Now we have the top. Super simple. And again, we're going to just go ahead and put glue on the flaps. And bring it over, fold the flap in, and pinch. Do the same for all four. Then we'll make our little tag and our bow. And then on one more side, and our lid is done. Okay, go ahead and put that on our box. Super cute, right? Alright, now we have the bow. I'm also going to stamp the bow. I'm going to bring in my scrap paper again. I'm going to stamp the bow in the same color pink, which is Blushing Bride. These are Stampin' Up! Colors, but any color, any ink you want. I'm going to grab a little hearts here and just stamp on here. Also on these two pieces as well. And a little band. Okay, we're done with that. All right, I'm going to take my bone folder on this large piece and just kind of rub it a little bit just to get the fold going. And put some glue on the one flap. Bring that, you'll see the notch here in the middle. Bring that over. Just kind of squeeze it. And bring this one over as well to create our little bow. Just have them meet in the middle. Just give them a good squeeze there. Okay, then this piece is going to go around that. So I'm going to put some glue right up on the top. Bring this over. And put glue on the back. And then close that up like that. Okay, so our bow is done. Now it is kind of flat, so I'm going to stick my finger in there and just kind of fluff it up some. Okay, we can set that aside. We're going to set that aside as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a piece of scrap paper. And I'm going to grab that same pink ink with the saying, "I rough you." I'm just going to stamp that on my scrap piece of white here. Take our scissors and cut it out. Now I'm going to grab a piece of that same brown cardstock. Take the two of these guys and glue them together, then we'll trim them. Actually, let me trim this one first. Okay, like that. Plop this down here. You could use your paper trimmer too to cut it out to give you a better edge, but I'm just going to go with it. Okay, so we have that. Alright, now bring this over. Take some glue in the center. Put that there. I'm going to grab some foam squares. I thought I got it right here. flip my bow over and just grab 2 little foam squares for the inside of that. Stick this down first where you want it to go, just like that. Super cute. Take these guys off, and then we are done our box. That's going to hide that corner there, just like that. And I'm just going to go on the inside and just give it a squeeze. Okay, so our lid is done with our stamping. How adorable, right? And like I said, super easy. You can use any color combination of cardstock you like, any combination of stamps, any greeting, just for an everyday occasion box. Alright guys, there you have it, our Making on Monday project. Super, super easy. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.